Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to make a Deepali lantern from paper teacup. Deepali is the grandest of all festivals that is celebrated towards of evil forces and to bring in peace and harmony in the lives of people. Deepali is also celebrated to worship goddess Lakshmi. Deepali is a festival of Hindus that signifies the victory of good over evil. Lantern from paper teacup. This is a easy craft idea which shows how to make fancy lantern from paper teacup by easy steps. So let's start the work. Material required: paper teacup, scale, Fevicol, stapler, scissors, sketch pen. Now first take a paper cup. You can take a big cup also. Now here I am using medium cup. Take a paper cup and take one paper strip. To take a measurement, we are going to divide this one in 5 parts. So for that one, you are going to take a measurement of the roundness of the cup. Then after taking the measurement of the roundness of the cup, we are going to take a correct part of that one and we are going to cut this one. Now we are going to divide this circle into 5 parts. So for that one, with the help of scale, we are going to take the measurement of the strip which we have taken the circle. Now it is 20 centimeter. Now we are going to divide this one into 5 parts, and after dividing it, we are going to again take the marking of 5 parts, equal 5 parts from one of the corner, and we are going to go on marking in this way. In this way marking we are going to take equal 5 parts of the roundness of the cup. Now this is divided into 5 equal parts in this way. Now after dividing this one into 5 parts, now here this side we are going to take the scale and take 1 centimeter length of this. For each point we are going to draw 1 centimeter. Correct, 1 centimeter. You can take more, but here I am taking 1 centimeter. For each and every cup you are going to do this one. 12 cups you are going to use for one lantern. In this way, 1 centimeter marking we have taken. Now we are going to cut this one with the help of scissors. While cutting this, be careful that it should not go down of this 1 centimeter. So be slow and be careful. In this way, all the markings we are going to cut of 1 centimeter. Slowly and neatly you are going to go in this way. All the 5 parts which we have divided equally, we are going to cut that one. Now this one is, we have cut this one, you can see this. Now after that one, we are going to fold this one. Fold in this way all the parts. In this way we are going to fold it backside, and then we are going to press this side inside. You are going to make a roundness part of that. In this way, all the 11 cups you are going to cut it and you are going to fold it in this way. In this way our 12 cups are ready. Now one pair of 3 cups we are going to arrange. Now take 2 cups first. Now in this such a way we are going to arrange that one. Now for that we are going to first apply Fevicol here. In this way put a Fevicol, and then this cup will come on this. With the help of stapler we are going to join this one in this way. Both the sides you can, or one side also you can put the stapler, staple it, then again open it, then again one side, this one, again one cup will come. You have to apply Fevicol here, so that if the stapler is coming out, with the help of Fevicol it will be stuck there. In this way, again with the help of stapler, we are going to staple it. Like this. Again one pair we are going to complete. The same way we are going to complete this one. Now all the 4 pairs are ready now. Now we are going to join this one. Now take first one pair of 3 cups and one pair of 3 cups. Now we are going to join this one here. Again we are going to apply Fevicol. Now we are going to make a final lamp. Apply Fevicol first. Before using stapler, we are going to apply Fevicol and then start joining them in this way. Slowly and neatly you are going to go. Now one by one all the pairs will be joined. Again same way, this side it will come. Every time you have to apply the Fevicol. Now this I have joined here. Now this will come here for this side. You go on joining, make a circle round of this so that it will become a round. Be slow while using the stapler, because as you are going to join all the cups, it will be little bit difficult to join. So go on slowly joining them one another. In this way we are going to join that. Now again take one pair and start joining them inside here in this way, one by one. Now you are going to make a round of that one, a circle like this. So go on joining this one. In this way our round is completed now. Now this is the final one. This is the one pair of 3 cups and this will come on the top. Now what you are going to do, you are going to join these 2 cups to this, and 1 cup you are going to keep open so that we can insert a bulb inside, and then after inserting a bulb inside, then we are going to fix this one. Now I will show you the final one. Here our final work is completed. Now for hanging you can use a decorative thread or a satin ribbon. Now we will see that after inserting a bulb inside this, how it looks. In this way our paper teacup lantern is completed. Make it, enjoy it. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you.